Yan, daming bag.
Hi guys.
How are you? Ayan yung mag-ama.
Ha?
Ayan, dito na tayo guys.
What you want, Tamale? Okay. You check somebody?
But see, it's not crowded here, oh.
Ah, yeah. You to check somebody for what?
Too much. See, it's not crowded
Not
here.
crowded, yeah. But it's okay also for us, you know? Right. Love you. This alarm for the car. Alarm, look, alarm. Toot, toot.
Ayan, dito na tayo guys sa Friday Market. Ayan yung dalawa. Buti naman naglaklakad. Ayan, dito na tayo guys. Ito yung entrance dito. Guys, tingnan nyo kung ano kadaming tao. Parang mga okay-okay. Mga sikan, mga ano yan siya dun guys kasi. Sikanhan. Why you are sad?
You remember the code for Sudan?
Ah, there. We go walk straight. Ella, go straight. Yan, daming bag. Hoy.
Grab more this one.
No, you have this one at home. Nakita siya ng laruan. Come here na.
Look. Malik, look tiger, Malik, tiger.
I will bring that home.
Come here na.
I will stop you.
Why?
Hoy. Let's go na. We take
I will stop you,
What do you
Mama.
want? Baby, Malik, hold on. We will finish and come back, okay?
Malik, come here na.
يلا مالك مالك
Hoy.
هو يلا
Come here na.
you have come on at home يلا
Come here na. I said no need to drink juice, ice cream. Ice cream is there, oh. No. Which one, juice?
Which one?
No, that is not good. Malik, that's not good.
Ah.
Dina, come here now.
Which one you want? Here?
I think another behind this one. No, this one here clothes. Before the one. Because this carpet.
This one, sir? Or here, I think here.
No, that's flowers. So
Wallah.
this one next this one.
Okay.
This the carpet, no?
Oh, yeah.
Yung mga carpet.
What the baba?
Adore.
Adore.
This one.
Nandito na kami sa sasakyan, guys. Pauwi na
This one
kami.
is
Sobrang
there.
init. Okay naman yung yung climate. Pero hindi na masyadong mainit. Pero syempre mainit pa rin.
Wow.
Kaya ayun.
Wow.
Nag-iba na kasi ng place. Iba na sila. Kasi dati,
Wow.
alam ko yun kung saan
Wow.
mabibili
Wow.
yung halik. Yung para sa CR sana. Kasi yung nanap namin exhaust fan. Yan, exhaust fan ang hinanap namin. Tapos,
It's a little bit.
yung para daw sa shower, sabi ni Ayan. Pero hindi siya nakaano ng para sa shower. So,
Same here, bilhin mo nagtiko mo.
What?
so
Make this
ang
up.
nabili namin
Same like Mama.
sa
Yeah.
Same like Mama.
exhaust fan lang. Pero ang tagal namin nanganap.
What?
Maganda na ngayon sa Haraj guys kasi dami na rin binibenta na hindi siya sungsikanhan mga bago pero ang mura ng bintahan guys.
That is it.
Kaya ayun, maganda na. Dami na silang pero nag-iba-iba na yung mga ano eh. Yung area nila, place nila. Kaya ayan, dito na kami on the way na kami going home guys. Hindi ko lang alam kung dadaan pa kami sa
Daddy will forget to go shop.
By what?
Shop.
what shop?
What shop?
Shop. I mean shop, Daddy shop.
Shop?
Yes.
حاضر.
What shop?
Shop, shop.
Soap?
You don't know shop?
I don't know. Soap?
I know shop.
What shop?
Shop is bigger.
Hindi ko naintindihan si Melo. Ganda ng bahay na yun. Ang light niya.
So,
Kaya ayan, pauwi na kami. Hindi ko alam kung daan pa kami ng grocery guys kasi
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Next time, you sing with me. Click, clack.
ayan, malapit na kami.
Click, click, clack. Click,
Ayan
click, clack.
guys.
Click, click, clack. Click, click, clack. Click, click,
Hanggang dito na lang yung live natin, yung videos natin guys. Kaya thank you for watching and God bless us all guys. And keep safe everyone. Thank you so much. Bye. See, bye-bye na, bye. Bye.